Start recording. Stop recording. Cut a voiceover off.
Hey guys, welcome to another video on Jordan Unboxing Reviews. Now you will get an unboxing video tomorrow because I'm getting through Amazon. Yes, through Amazon, next day delivery, not for a whole month. But you know what? I'm not worried about it. Because it is a third-party seller selling his RS Media robot. Yes, an RS Media. Can you believe it, guys? I'll be the first one to have an RS Media. Well, not the first one. Well, yes, I will, because I'll be the first one who owned an RS Media visually impaired. Can you believe it? This is going to be so awesome. But, I'm going to have to wait for a whole month. Can you believe it, guys? I'm going to have to wait for a whole month for my RS Media to be dispatched, be sent to the delivery depot, and be delivered to my house. A whole month with no robot toy. Can you believe that, guys? That is harsh. But you know what? I'm going to do more unboxing videos. Just you wait and see. So, tomorrow's unboxing review is an unboxing of a phone clamp. I'm feeling thirsty. Maybe I should have a drink. My stepdad, by the way, he's called Malcolm. He's a nice guy. He is buying us KFC. Me and my biological mum. Samantha Jane. Much better. But I know I shouldn't say names, but my family is a safe family. My mum is nice, my stepdad's nice. He got me the armour, the suit of armour. My mum got me the chainmail. Aluminium chainmail. Excuse me. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And yes, Princess Melissa, I am a Prince Charming. And I will give you another hand massage. Oh. Okay. I'll give you another hand massage. Next foot. Oh. Okay. I'll give you another hand massage next Thursday. And hopefully I'll give you a foot massage as well if you want one. Excuse me. Much better. Much better. As I was saying, I'll give you a nice hand massage this Thursday coming. Hopefully I can give you a hand massage. I mean a foot massage. With the sock on if you don't mind. Like socks on, not off, because then I have to go and wash my hands. After rubbing your feet. But I don't mind. Would you like one? Would you like a foot massage? Do you mind if I give you one? Well, I am your boyfriend, right? So yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you should go and check Xylo's channel out. And you can what did I just do? You should go and check out Lifty Lou's channel out. And also, that's my dad coming back. Also, check out Amazing Jago's channel.
Voiceover on. YouTube. Back. Button. Screen curtain on.
Nice ginger taste. Oh, Darth Vader, oh, Darth Vader, oh, Darth Vader. No, D-Rex. No. You nearly did it. But I stopped you. I know you do. Guess what, guys? I've got my KFC. Yum 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 yum. Why am I singing parrots? Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yeah, yummy, 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 yummy,
Camera to back. But back. Cam. Stop recording.